Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Upright Vacuum. Conventional vacuums rely on bags to trap dust and dirt. But when you start to use some bagged machines, dust can clog the tiny holes in the bag. Some ordinary bagless vacuums work in a similar way. They use a central filter to trap fine dust, which can clog two suction drops, leaving dust and dirt behind in your home. The features of Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Upright Vacuum. Strongest suction of any vacuum. The Dyson Ball Upright Vacuum Cleaner has the strongest suction of any vacuum. Radial Root Cyclone Technology. Dyson's most advanced Radial Root Cyclone technology captures more dirt and microscopic dust. Self-adjusting cleaner head. Automatically adjust to seal in suction across carpets and hard floors. Rides on a ball. Steers easily into difficult places. Whole Machine HEPA filtration. No other vacuum expels cleaner air. Certified asthma and allergy friendly.